I don't know if you want to have ice cream on today since we're getting snow.
I mean, I think every day is a good day for ice cream, no matter what the weather is, but it is going to be cold, so that is something to keep in mind. I mean, temperatures right now, we saw about an hour ago, most of us were in the lower 40s, already seeing those temperatures starting to fall for us into the middle and the upper 30s, and they're going to keep on trying to fall little by little throughout the course of the morning. Not going to see a major warm up throughout today either. Most of us will only have our highs in the lower to middle 30s throughout the afternoon. Now, satellite radar is showing a little bit of moisture into our area. We did see a little bit of rain snow mix for parts of us. It's continuing to head more to the east. This isn't the only thing we're going to see, though. We do have more moisture that's going to make its way into the area. This is just what's coming out in front of it. We have this bad boy that's going to make its way down, mainly in the later morning and the early afternoon. We'll start to see more of some rain-snow mix. We do have a winter storm warning issued for northern and the western portions of Pocahontas County. That's going to continue until 1 a.m. Saturday morning. We're thinking that accumulations could be a little bit higher, around half a foot, even upwards to a foot for some isolated spots around Snowshoe. National Weather Service thinking around 5 to 10 inches of snowfall for those areas. Winter weather advisories are issued for western Greenbrier, Summers, Mercer, and Tazewell counties until 6 a.m. Saturday morning. For eastern Fayette, this one's going to begin at 7 a.m. lasting until 1 a.m. Saturday morning. Our winds are going to continue to pick up in speed throughout today too. We're going to see wind gusts trying to head about 30 to even 40 miles per hour for a few spots. So with that in mind, we're going to have some heavier snow into the overnight hours tonight. That's going to lead us to some poor visibility issues. So as you are out and about tonight, do be mindful of that. Poor visibility with the blowing snow. Also, we're going to start to see some more snow accumulation for us tonight, a little after sundown. Best time for areas under 3,000 feet to start to see snow trying to stick to the surfaces. We are going to have some slick roads issued too. Temperatures are going to be falling tonight too, into the lower 20s and the teens. Our snowfall forecast hasn't changed much. We have adjusted this to move more downward to include portions of Raleigh County. We did increase this too to 3 to 6 inches. So far though, still seeing 1 to 3 inches for most of the western slopes, traced to 1 inch along portions of Buchanan, Wyoming, and McDowell counties, and then traced to 1 inch for our eastern slopes. Still have 6 to 10 inches along western Pocahontas County, and that is for the areas that are included in that winter storm warning. Futurecast is kind of off a little bit for this morning with the showers we've already seen, so I do think we will see a few more spotty showers than what Futurecast is showing throughout the morning drive. Some of us are still going to stay dry until the later morning, early afternoon will bring back the chances for the snow, a little bit of rain mixed in with it too. Temperatures as they're heading into the middle 30s for a few spots. Most of us still going to witness though plain snow showers. They are going to be scattered in nature but pretty widespread. We'll notice heavier amounts of snowfall try to come through. This is looking at 7 p.m. We do notice these darker blue colors. That's showing heavier snow coming down. That's going to last into the overnight hours for us tonight. Here's looking at early tomorrow morning, 7 a.m. Could still hold on to a few flurries, some light snow showers. Most of us should be drying things out as high pressure builds into the area for us. Temperature is going to be quite cool tomorrow, only sitting into the lower 40s. We are looking at the wind chill forecast for tomorrow morning. We will still be dealing with the breezy conditions and the cooler temperatures. Most of us feeling into the teens with a few spots even in the single digits. We will warm up nicely though by Sunday. Highs will head back into the upper 50s, lower 60s. We keep up with the warm trend throughout next week, but we do bring back a pretty soggy week. We have the rain showers that are going to come in full force late Monday night and into Tuesday.